Hi everyone, my name is Natalie. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will mention 10 common problems that fourth generation Mazda MX-5 Miata are prone to experience. Number 1. 2016 to 2019 models equipped with automatic transmission have been recalled because the transmission is prone to downshift and decelerate suddenly, and this issue can cause the driver to lose control of the vehicle. The solution involves reprogramming the transmission control module, also known as TCM. Number 2. The blind spot monitors tend to shut down when driving under heavy rain. Number 3. The rear wheel bearings are prone to get noisy and to experience premature failure. Number 4. The infotainment screen tends to deluminate and freeze. Number 5. The cruise control system is prone to stay activated even when the engine has been shut off. This issue drains the battery, causing a no-start condition the following day. Performing a software update solves this problem. Number 6. Rainwater tends to leak inside the door past the molding, damaging the power window motor, causing the window not to roll up or down. Number 7. One of the AC lines that connects to the AC compressor, known as the cooler pipe, is prone to fracture in the area shown on the screen, causing the AC system to lose all the refrigerant, and as a result the air coming out of the vents is not cold when the AC is on. Number 8. These vehicles tend to suffer from mildew built up in the AC system that gives a bad smell when the air conditioning is on. Running the heater at the highest setting helps to get rid of the mildew, and replacing the cabin filter frequently minimizes the problem. Number 9. The TPMS sensors inside the tires are prone to malfunction, causing the TPMS light to illuminate on the dashboard. Number 10. Some manual transmissions develop grinding noises when shifting in between gears. As the problem worsens, it ends up in complete transmission failure. Those are 10 common problems that fourth generation Mazda MX Miata vehicles are prone to experience. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.